Hello guys, so in today's video I am going to show you how to change the battery of Legion 7. This is coming with Core i7 11th generation with 16ACHG6 RTS graphic card. Okay, so the problem is the battery is not working. Although it is a new laptop, but still the battery is not working. So let's check it out how to change the battery. First of all, you need to turn it over, then remove the screws 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. When you remove these screws, after removing, you need to open it like here is one LAN jack. Okay, so if you will put the thumb here and then one finger here, okay, and then pull it like this, and you can listen the clicking sound, and then open it like this. Okay, this is the easiest way to open the cover, back cover of this Legion 7. This is, you can see, Legion 7 16ACHG6 model number. Okay, so when you have removed the back cover, just put it on somewhere like this, and then here you can see the battery. I will already take it out. It was here. Okay, and the battery jack is here. So after opening it, take out the battery from the box. Okay, take it out and then like this. Okay, and then you can see a little white mark on the connector of the battery. You can see it, this white mark. So you need to keep it upside. Okay, when pushing the cable into the connector, you need to keep it upside, this side. Okay, now it is fastened. Now again okay, like this. Now put the screws. Okay, now close the back cover again. Actually this beep is not coming from my laptop. This is actually electronic market. So shop near to my shop is preparing the Dell laptop. So Dell laptop makes this beeping sound. Okay, then again put all the screws back to its place, then flip it, and you are ready to use your Legion 7. Thank you for watching. And this is the battery that I removed, which was not working. You can see the model number L20C4PC1. So this is the battery which was not working, so I had to replace with the new battery. I hope this video is going to help people who are looking to change the battery of Legion 7. Thank you for watching. Bye.